Yeah, we're talking about medicine on the move. Time now for Living Well.
That's right. Usually Dr. Marianne Malloy is here inside the studio, but this morning we're shaking things up a little bit. She is outside on assignment at a rolling doctor's office that's rolling the Chicago area for the whole month of September. Dr. Marianne Malloy, good morning.
Oh, good morning. And here I am in the mobile health office. It's right outside the studio. It's a bus that will be coming to your neighborhood and checking out to whether you have heart disease or vascular disease. Those two together are the #1 killers in the United States. And you can go right on and get tests that normally you probably wouldn't get in your doctor's office. First, we're on the Loyola HealthFair bus. I want to show you a little bit of it. There's a examining room right here. This is the waiting area. And most important, this is Dr. Bus Milner from Loyola. Good morning.
Good morning, Dr. Malloy.
Thank you for coming in and telling us more about this. This bus is going to be going around to different local areas so people can get on and find out how they're doing. And would you tell us a little bit about what they'll be offered, what tests and what they'll accomplish?
Sure. So the point of this is for people to be able to come and get all their blood vessels checked from their heart through their arteries in their neck and arteries in their legs to make sure that they don't have blood vessel disease.
And about how long does this testing take?
So the whole testing process takes about an hour, and it's a full screening process that's done essentially from head to toe.
And the patient gets the report.
Correct.
And then they can bring it to their doctor, or they can you will help them access a doctor.
Absolutely. So most people thankfully find that they have normal blood vessels, but if there are problems and there's any problems that need to be checked further, then we are happy to see them at Loyola, or they can be seen anywhere for that problem.
I have had 2 patients that found that they had problems that they didn't know about and I didn't know about, so it was very helpful. Now let's show us what we do. First, a patient comes and checks in on the bus and then comes down here, and we'll walk down to where they're having the test. We're only going a few feet. Now,
So, what's being
would you
done,
tell us?
Sure, I'm sorry to interrupt you. What's being done now is a test taking a look at the heart, and it's an echo that's done to take a look at the function of the heart and the structure of the heart. And again, if there's any problems with this, a more thorough examination can be done in a physician's office.
But there's nothing invasive, it's just on the surface, so it's easy for the patient. And then also, what other blood vessels get checked?
So the arteries in the neck, the carotid arteries get checked, which would be a risk of stroke, and the blood vessels in the legs get checked, and all of those, again, are done in a non-invasive way, just as you described for the echo.
And they can see if they might have an aneurysm or anything like that. So the echocardiogram takes about how long?
The echocardiogram itself, all the tests total take about an hour. The echocardiogram can be done within about 10 minutes.
And then they're off the bus and on their way. So now, if someone wants to take part in these tests, all they have to do is go to the website and check. It's going to come up on your screen, www.loyolahealthfair.com, and there's the telephone number also, and you'll see it coming into your neighborhood with multiple locations, and it's a way to get healthier and find out what's really going on inside of you.
Absolutely, and it'll be coming all over the Chicagoland area.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Dr. Milner, for coming in, and thanks to Loyola for providing this for Chicago.
Thank you for having me this morning.
Okay. Back to you, Kim and Stefan.
Cool,
cool.
Dr. Malloy. That's very cool. The wheels on the bus go round and round, and
You'll see it. You may see it in your neighborhood.
All right, for more information where the bus will be this month, again, you can go to www.healthfair.com.